Today, I'll show you how to send an email by country in Klaviyo. Whether you're targeting customers in the United Kingdom, Canada, or any other specific region, this guide will make it easy for you to tailor your campaigns and connect with your audience more effectively. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Audience section in Klaviyo, which you can find in the left sidebar menu. Once there, click on Lists and Segments. This is where you'll begin to create a targeted group of contacts based on their location. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a blue button labeled Create List Segment. Go ahead and click that button. You'll be prompted to choose between creating a list or a segment. Here, you'll want to select Segment, as this will allow you to define a specific group of people based on shared characteristics, in this case, their country. Next, it's time to give your segment a name. This is an important step because naming your segment clearly will help you manage your contacts more effectively in the future. Consider using something descriptive, like United Kingdom customers or Canada subscribers. This way, you'll easily remember which audience you're targeting whenever you return to this segment later on. Now, let's move on to defining the criteria for your segment. Under the definition block, you'll see several drop-down menus. This is where you tell Klaviyo exactly how you want to filter your audience. For our purpose, you'll first select properties about someone. This option allows you to focus on specific attributes of your contacts. In the next drop-down menu, you'll choose Dimension. Following that, select Country. This tells Klaviyo to filter contacts based on their country information. The next step is crucial: choose equals as the operator. This ensures that only contacts from the exact country you specify will be included in your segment. Finally, you'll need to specify the country you're targeting. In the value field, either select or type the country name, such as the United Kingdom or Canada. Once you've entered your desired country, double-check everything to ensure it's accurate, and then click Create Segment. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a segment based on country. With this segment ready, you can move on to sending a campaign to this specific group. By targeting your emails in this way, you increase the relevance of your messages, which can lead to higher engagement rates and more successful marketing efforts. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, targeting your emails by country is a powerful way to connect with your audience on a more personal level, and Klaviyo makes this process straightforward and efficient. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources or contact Klaviyo support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.